Introducing LiveBench, a lab on the cloud platform to accelerate IC adoption with NXP's Motor Control Development Kit as an example. At Tenxer Labs, we have reimagined the way ICs are demonstrated and evaluated by customers. LiveBench brings your ICs to life by building real lab setups and connecting them to a cloud environment for remote evaluation and co-development. LiveBench allows your FAEs, sales teams, as well as your customers to remotely interact with and evaluate on real hardware 24/7 from anywhere in the world without the need for setup or support. The benefits? Shipping a single eval board to customer limits access to a handful of prospects. Hosting on LiveBench enables 1000x reach by providing remote access to potential customers worldwide. With a readily deployed lab, users can instantly evaluate performance, compare parts, and co-develop with a click, significantly shortening the sales cycle. A 30% reduction can add millions to the bottom line. Traditionally, catering to long-tail customers has been a necessity, but prohibitive due to high cost of engagement. With LiveBench, you can scale effortlessly by reducing the cost of customer acquisition, thus contributing to the profit margins. The NXP PTE1AK344 is a development kit designed for motor control applications, enabling rapid prototyping and evaluation of control strategies for BLDC and permanent magnet synchronous motors. The LiveBench setup features the dev kit connected to a fully equipped development environment pre-installed with S32 Design Studio and FreeMaster applications for users to evaluate motor control. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. Use the S32 Design Studio to write code and flash the firmware onto the development board. Import an existing project or begin with a fresh one. Navigate through the required configurations. Perform build and debug, which will flash the firmware onto the development board. Now turn on the motor and adjust the speed as desired using the FreeMaster application. Monitor the motor's operation in real time via a live video stream. Observe and evaluate the live graph data of the motor. Use the settings here to switch to a language of your choice. The user manual and other helpful documentation can be accessed via the hamburger menu icon here. To get started with evaluation, head over to the tenxerlabs.com webpage and choose to explore LiveBench. Use the search bar and look up the name of the NXP Dev Kit. Click on the lab tile to get started. Thank you and happy evaluation!